It's heavy, it's heavy. So that's what we are going to be unboxing today. It's another unboxing video which I'm super excited to share with you guys today. So we are going to be opening this Serger today. So you guys, I got this Singer Serger plus cover lock sewing machine. It's all in one. It does overlock and it does cover lock. There's a story to this purchase, you guys, because I read the reviews about this sewing machine and I almost not get it because there are so many negative reviews, not about what the machine can do and obviously not about the build quality or stuff like that, but it's more of it's difficult to thread, it's difficult to set up and stuff like that. So a lot of people said it's not meant for beginners, you have to be some kind of pro. It's actually a pro Serger to use it. So I almost not get this machine because of that. It literally took me days of thinking and, you know, adding it to my cart and thinking again and all of that before I decided to finally buy it because I felt, you know, people use this and I have to use it. The machine is so powerful in the sense that it is strong, it's durable from the review and every details I've read about it. It offers so many functions. There's so many things you can do with this single sewing machine. So I guess because of the multiple functions that it has, that's why it's a little probably difficult to, you know, it has so many functions in it that you have to learn how to set, to change, switch from one function to another. So maybe that's what makes it difficult, but this is what we want. Like, I need this in my life, and yeah, so I got it. So that's what we are opening today, you guys. And as you can see, this is how it looks like straight from opening the box. There are a couple of things here already. Oh my gosh, I was really scared, honestly. I've been so nervous and excited at the same time. I've actually gotten this machine for 2 days now, or was it yesterday? And I've been so nervous to open it because of the reviews that I read that it's difficult to set up. So I'm like, will I be able to do this? Will I be able not to do it? So I'm not sure, but I just got it and I will do it. So pray for me, you guys, that I don't fuck this up. I hope it's easy for me to set up as well. I don't know what this is. I guess it's dust cover or something. So let's do this. Let's do this. So many tools already in here. I guess these are the accessories, some tweezers and some thread, whatever, some tools, plier and needle, etc, etc. Behold the baby, and there is the baby. I need help. I need someone to help me pull this out. Jesus, I don't think it's that heavy actually, guys. I'm just probably the soft person. So yeah, I brought it out finally. So this is the manual. I hope it's in English. Please, please, please. It's not in English. No. But it's okay. We go to the website and I get myself a manual. I'll download the manual myself on the website. So it's the Singer 14T968DC. Whoa. I love the color. It's off-white. It's not white like every other machine that I have. This one is like off-white. I'm so excited but nervous too. This obviously is, yeah, stretches like this and it locks. Okay, so it has a bin right here that you can just attach here. By the time the machine is cutting off your thread, it just falls right in the bin, which is so comfortable and nice. That's just going to keep my workspace even cleaner. Okay, I guess this one is dust cover, so you can just use this to cover up the machine when you're not using it. And this one is the pedal, and it goes right over here, and then obviously into your power source. So I'm just going to try and see what I can do with this machine, if I need to thread it or not. It actually looks like it's been threaded from the factory. I don't know if you can see the thread. It looks pre-threaded. Obviously it's going to be in a maybe default function. There are so many things this machine can do. It can overlock, it can cover lock, it can do chain stitches, roll hem, so many different functions, right? Maybe this is just some default threading, but I'm going to try that out before I take it out and try other stitch methods. At a first glance at this sewing machine, you already see the price of it. You already know that it's a very good quality. It feels pretty strong and sturdy. You know, the shape is nice, the size is perfect, it's not so big, it's not going to take so much of your space. There's pretty much wide enough room here to work with for your fabric. And as you can see, it's color graded, which should help a little bit with the threading, I guess. And here you could already see all the functions it can do. So it has so many more buttons and functions and rollers and wheels and everything that for now I am not 100% sure what they do. I got mine in a German speaking website, so my manual right about now is in German and my German is not quite good. So I am going to be taking my time to download the English manual, maybe on their website, or just find my way around it. And there's this CD I hear it comes with all the reviews I've read. I don't see any CD, but I guess I will be fine. So this is a 5-thread serger and cover lock, as you can see. So for the price, I got mine at 535 euros. On Amazon, it's cheaper, I guess, and you can even buy the second-hand version of this sewing machine on Amazon. I'll post a link down below in the description box if you want to check out the second-hand or you want to check out the new one like this. I'll post a link in the description box so you can check. So for me, I paid 535 euros for this machine, and which for all the functions that the machine can do, that's a very fair price if you ask me. So we'll see how it works.